afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. I'm here in Ubud area. Anybody of you planning to stay around Jalan Monkey Forest in Ubud? Let's walk around there, guys, and let's see the latest situation. And as you can see now, I'm here at Jalan Pengosekan. This is the end of Jalan Pengosekan actually. It's quite busy, a lot of scooters, cars going around. And here is the Peace and Cafe. Anybody of you planning to come here maybe? It was famous cafe here. Okay, let's cross the road, guys. We are entering Jalan Monkey Forest. As usual, look at that in the front of us. That restaurant last area, it's really busy. Even at this time now, it's around, what is this, 5 o'clock, yeah? It's really busy already. Still too early for dinner, isn't it? Here is the Auto Cafe. I don't know what happened with this cafe last time. I came at night, it was not really busy, guys. I still remember a long time ago, it was like maybe 6 months or a year ago when I passed by at night, that Auto Cafe was really busy. Or maybe next time I will be back again at night and let's see if they are busy or not. Okay, let's continue. It is nice to walk at this time, guys, here. It's not really hot. And the weather is also quite good, I can say. We got a little bit rain in the morning, but it was hot. The sun was shining in the afternoon. Now just a little bit cloudy. Weather is okay. And that is Ibu Susu restaurant on the right side. I think some of you familiar with that restaurant. It's quite famous as well in this area. Ibu Susu. And here, Monkey Cave Express. This bar is cute, yeah. Wow, the croissant looks delicious. And here's the Anumana Hotel. Anyway, talking about hotel, there are a lot along this street, guys. Anumana, and then we have the next one as well. Kamaneka. Many new, good hotels also in this area. So you can choose. You want to stay around here or somewhere in Ubud. But if you look for quiet, relaxing, I think you need to stay outside of Ubud, maybe like, let's say 10-15 minutes drive from Ubud. I think it's a good area to stay. And if you want to have your food, lunch, dinner, you can come to Ubud. Or shopping, maybe. You can get everything here, guys. Same like other area, touristy area, you can get shops, cafe, restaurants, bars, not so many here in Ubud, I think. But anyway, if you want to go for party, you have to go to, let's say, Canggu or Seminyak. You can find a lot of beach clubs there, or discotheques, yeah, or bars. There are some in Ubud, but not many like in Canggu, guys. And this is the Monkey Forest. Wow, where is the monkey? Oh, it's on top there. Look at it. Can you see the monkey? It's right there. So imagine if you are eating at that restaurant, maybe the monkey will come and visit.
Sorry.
Anybody of you like to see the Monkey Forest? The entrance tickets is around normal day, 80,000 rupiah per person. Weekend, it's 100,000 rupiah, guys. And this is new business here. What is this here? Tonic, massage, and botanical. But look at the monkey there. The monkey just walking around there on a cable. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Hello. Wow, it's really busy here. Even hard to walk around here. And as you see on the right side, all the shops are still open. So if you like to do shopping, you still can do. Maybe they will close around 8 o'clock, guys, in this area, because for 7 to 8, yeah. Because this area after dark or after sunset, it will be quiet. I think they will build a gate here. but I don't see the picture, the planning of the project. It's only the head of monkey here, but as you can see, it looks like a gate here also. But there on the right side, there is another project as well. But from the picture, it says clinic, guys. Clinic Pratama Royal. So yeah, what is this? It can be like a hospital maybe, yeah. But talking about clinic or hospital here in Ubud, well, I know there are few actually, but not really like big clinic in Ubud Center, yeah. There is one big one. It's in Mas Village, we call it, like maybe 15-20 minutes drive from here. We call it Arisanti Clinic, guys. Hopefully you will not need it during your holiday, but in case you need one, you can go there to Arisanti. And soon there will be a clinic as well here, but let's see. I think it will still take quite a long time until they're done. Where are the monkeys? Normally there are a lot here, guys, but now I don't see many. There are some there. Anyway, there are a few things that you need to know before you visit this monkey forest. You can also read it at the entrance, guys. Most important things is you cannot bring any food or drinks or plastic bags because they will grab it. Whatever you put in your plastic bags, they will think you're bringing food, guys. Do not touch the monkey, especially the baby. Oh, look at that, the monkey. Because the mother will attack you. Do not make eye contact too long. So they will feel like threatened and then they will attack you as well. So just keep a nice distance and then you will be okay. Okay, let's keep walking and probably we will see some new businesses along this street because yeah, there are some business closed, some business starting to open again. We passed by one big spa earlier, Tonic and Botanical we call it. If you like to do spa, maybe you can come there as well. Wow, this street is very busy, eh? This street will lead you to go to Jalan Bisma. Maybe next time I will walk to this street and show you the situation at Jalan Bisma. And this is small cafe. I think it's new, yeah? Olive, Mediterranean cuisine and wine. Yeah, I think this is new. And also here, guys, this is new as well. I think. Li, kapan buka ya? Baru ya? Halo.
Hi.
There are some new cafe and bar as well in that corner. Gourmet gelato. You can have your gelato here. And there on the right side is pure veg Indian food, guys. Some shops. Wow, you can get your nasi jingo there. Chicken tutu. And pindang is fish. Chicken sit is, yeah, chicken, basically chicken. If you don't know nasi jingo, that is basically white rice wrapped with banana leaf, guys, with chicken, sambals, and etc. But look at this. This fella, I don't know, he is traveling quite far from the monkey forest.
No quiere que lo grabe. Se pira, ¿visto? Qué cabrón.
He's enjoying his
Pero lleva
banana.
algo ahí como tatuado.
Yeah, sometimes it happens. The monkeys sometimes traveling quite far from monkey forest. But anyway, here there is a nice cafe or bar. But there's nothing much is happening at this area, guys, at the moment. I don't see a lot of tourists. I don't know where are they, the tourists. Maybe still at the market or at their hotel maybe. And then on the right side is Cool Monkey frozen yogurt. Have you been to that place? Let's just keep walking and enjoy the atmosphere here. Anyway, there are few people parking their scooter and cars again here, guys, along the street. It was very clean and very nice before, and they can park actually at the parking area, which is at the football field. They make into parking area, so people can park there actually. I just don't understand why they still park here. It looks not really good actually. Here, it's another new restaurant, Golden Apple. This is how you pronounce it? Golden Apple. It's quite busy. Well, sales 50%. Havaianas. That is the shop. Do you love Havaianas sandals? It was very famous actually. I think still famous now in Bali. Yeah? Shisha fresh coconut. Is it new? I think so, yeah. This is what they have. Look at this. Balinese pitcher. 1 liter, 100k. Signature cocktail. Yeah, beer, bucket. Hope you can see the price. This is the place. I recognize there are more and more massage places here, guys, in Ubud. So, if you like massage, you have a lot of options. And this is also new, I think. Korean food ya? Baru ya?
Baru dari bulan April, Kak.
Oh.
Mau nyobain?
Can I see the menu?
Yes.
Ini saya videoin nggak apa-apa ya? Oh. So this is the Korean food, guys. It started not long ago. This is what they have. I don't even know how to pronounce it anyway. I just show you what they have. Pajok bol. What's pajok bol?
Coba ini babi, Kak.
Oh, babi, yeah. Yeah, so this is what they have, guys. They have a lot of food options actually. Here, side dish, soup. Kasih ya, Mbak ya. That is the place. Yeah, if you like Korean food, you can come and visit that place maybe. And here, there is a bar, the blue doors. You can play pool table as well there. Here on the left side is the Pertiwi Resort and Spa. Anybody of you planning to stay here? I think last time someone asked me about this resort, yeah. So this is the place here. And this is the situation around your resort. Well, that place, I think French Kiss is a new place as well, guys. Bar, they have the food as well. And here, this is quite famous restaurant here, Dona. A lot of people like to have their food here, guys. Have you been eating here? Maybe you can tell me why this place is so famous. And Laughing Buddha, normally they are busy at night after dinner. And just in front of the Laughing Buddha, you will see the Cafe Wayan, guys. This place is kind of like legend, yeah. It's very popular as well. A lot of people ask me about this Cafe Wayan. And this is Kajane Mua. Also, they have their restaurant. If you're staying here, you can have your food here at the restaurant. There on the right side, Meet Me Cafe. I've been to that Lumbung Sari Hotel, guys. It was a nice hotel anyway. Next to it is Kamaneka. Anyway, talking about Kamaneka, there are a few of them here in Ubud. They have one here, Kamaneka Bisma, Tanggayuda, and here also Ubud Village Hotel. Sometimes I mess up with Ubud Village Hotel and Ubud Village Resort, guys. This is the hotel here in Jalan Monkey Forest. And Ubud Village Resort, I think it's the one in New Kuning, yeah. I have a nice restaurant here, Pasir Restaurant. And also here, LOL Bar. Normally they have reggae music also here, guys. What is this? Taksumua, holistic healing, hypnotherapy, chakra healing, Reiki healing. What's Reiki healing? Energy healing, Prakat healing, Usada yoga. Yeah, some people ask me about this kind of things. I think it's available here at the back there maybe. But to be honest, if it's good or not, I'm not really sure. Anyway, if you check online, there are quite a lot of people providing that healing service, like yoga, healing, something like that. But to be honest, I'm not really sure which one is good, guys. What I know is the one that very famous, we call it Ketut Liar, yeah. He was from the movie Eat, Pray, Love, but of course he passed away already a few years ago, and now it's continued by his son. But yeah, I don't know if it's the same like his father, Ketut Liar. It is about belief, yeah. So if you believe it, maybe it works, but if not, then it will not work. And this is also famous shops, Tukis. You can get your ice cream, fresh coconut, dried coconut, basically coconut products, guys. Some cakes as well. And this is also quite new, Ace Queen. You can get your fruits, juices, milkshake, and spa here, Gracia Spa. You can do fish massage as well there, guys. And the price I saw is 50k for 15 minutes. What do you think? You like to try fish massage maybe? And that is the parking area here in Ubud, guys. If you drive your car or scooter, you can park here. So what do you think about this area in Ubud, guys? Would you like to stay around here maybe? Or you want to shots maybe along the street? Okay, so I think that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again at the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.